For now, question 4.11, the sum of all odd numbers between 200 and 300 is. So the sum of all odd numbers, so this is the sum. हमारे फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें, तो सीरीज ले लेते हैं हमारे पास the sum of all odd numbers between 200 and 300 is. So odd number mean 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and up to so on. So the total number is 100. So the one number is missing between every two number. So the n equal to 50. And the difference between two number is, if we take 203 minus 201, this equal to 2. If we take 205 minus 203, this equal to again 2. So the series is arithmetic progression. The sum of the formula is S equal to n by 2 a1 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values. This equal to 50 divided by 2, and this equal to 2 into a1 is 201 plus n is 50 minus 1, and this equal to 2. Now this equal to 25, or this equal to 50 divided by 2, and 2 common from both, 201 plus 49. Now 2 cancel with 2, this equal to 50, and 201 plus this equal to 250, and this equal to, calculate with the help of calculator, 50 into 250 equal to 12,500. Sum is 12,500. So the option number C is the answer of this question. Now question number 4.12. The sum of series 1, 3 divided by 5, 9 divided by 25, 27 divided by 125 to infinity is. तो अभी हमने इसको लेना है कि the sum of series is 1, 3 by 5, 9 divided by 25 and 27 divided by 125 up to infinity. So the series is infinity, and sum find out the sum. Now first look at the series. We take ratio between two numbers. So let a1 equal to 1 and a2 equal to 3 by 5. Now ratio equal to a2 divided by a1, this equal to 3 by 5 divided by 1, this equal to 3 by 5. If we take ratio between a3 and a2, this is r1 and this is r2, a3 divided by a2, this equal to 9 divided by 25 and 3 divided by 25. Now 3 3s are 9 and 5 5s are 25. 3 divided by 5 again. So r1 equal to r2. This is the geometric progression. So S equal to a divided by 1 minus r. This is a1. a1 is 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by 5, and this equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 3 by this is 5 minus 3, and this equal to divided by 5, and s equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 5, and this equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 1, and this equal to 5 by 2. The answer is option number D. So this is the sum of the infinity series. Now question number 4.13. Sum of the series 6 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 8 plus 2 infinity is geometric progression. Now, so again this is the geometric progression because a1 equal to 6, a2 equal to 3 by 2, and a3 equal to 3 by 8, and up to so on. So r1 equal to a2 by a1, and this equal to 3 by 2 divided by 6, and this equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 6. So 3 2s are 6, and this equal to 1 divided by 4. So r1 equal to 1 divided by 4. So s equal to a1 divided by 1 minus r, because this is infinity series. a1 equal to 6 and 1 minus 1 over 4, and this equal to 6 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 4, and this equal to 6 divided by 3 by 4. Now s equal to 6 divided by 1 multiplied by 4 by 3. Now this equal to 3 2s are 6, and this equal to 8. S equal to 8. So sum of the series is equal to 8. So the option number B is the answer of this question. Now the question 4.14. The sum of the infinity series 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4 is. This is again infinity series. So this is the geometric progression. So first find the ratio between two numbers. So a1 equal to 1 and a2 equal to 1 over 2. Now r equal to a2 by a1, and this equal to 1 divided by 2 divided by 1, and this equal to 1 over 2. Now sum equal to a divided by 1 minus r, and this equal to a divided 1 divided by 1 minus 1 over 2, and this equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2, and this equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by 2, and s equal to 1 divided by 1 divided by 1 into 2 by 1. This equal to 2. So s equal to 2. So the answer is option number C. Question number 4.15. Sum of the infinity series, infinity of the following geometric progression. 1 divided by 1.1 plus, again this is the same question. Series is given. So a1 equal to 1 divided by 1.1 and a2 equal to 1 divided by 1.1 square. So r equal to A2 divided by A1, and this equal to 1 divided by 1.1 whole square and divided by 1 divided by 1.1. Now 1.1 cancel with 1, so 1 divided by 1.1. R equal to 1.1, so S equal to A1 divided by 1 minus R. So A1 equal to 1 divided by 1.1 and 1 minus 1 divided by 1.1. So this equal to 1 divided by 1.1 and this equal to 1.1 minus 1 divided by 1.1. So 1.1 cancel with 1.1, and now S equal to 1 divided by 0.1 and this equal to 10. So S equal to 10. Option number C is the answer of this question. 4.16. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 14. The sum of first 5 terms and the first 20 terms are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. The third term of the arithmetic progression is. So first term of the arithmetic progression equal to A1 equal to 14. The sum of first 5 terms is 5. The sum of first 10 terms is 10. According to condition, S10 equal to minus S5 because equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. The third term of the series is A3. Find out the third term of the series. So solution is An equal to A1 plus N minus 1 D. So N equal to 3. Then A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. Now we know that A1 equal to 14. First we find out D. So D equal to, so S10 equal to minus S5. So this is arithmetic progression. Now S10 equal to N by 2, 2A1 plus N minus 1. This is 10. This is 10 minus 1 into D, and this equal to N by 2, 2A1 plus 5 minus 1 into D, and this is minus. Now N divided by 2, N is 10, this is 10 and this is 5. Now 2 into 14 plus 9D, and this equal to minus 5 by 2 into 2A1, 2 into 14 plus 4D. Now 2 cancel with 2. Now this equal to 10 into 28 plus 9D, and this equal to minus 5, 28 plus 4D. Now 5 2s are 10. So this equal to 2 into 28 plus 9D, and this equal to 28 plus 4D. Now this 2 divide on each side. So this equal to 28 plus 9D, and this equal to minus 14 minus 2D. So 9D, this implies that 9D plus 2D, this equal to minus 14 minus 28. Now D equal to 11D, and this equal to minus 14 minus 28 to minus 42. This implies that D equal to 11 for 42 minus 42 divided by 11. Now put in A3 equal to A1 plus 2D. Now A3 equal to 14 plus A3 equal to 14 plus 2 into minus 42 divided by 11. Now this implies that A3 equal to 14 minus 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8 divided by 11. A3 equal to, take LCM, 14 multiplied by 11 equal to 154 minus 84 divided by 11. Minus 84 equal to 70 divided by 11. Now this equal to 6 divided by 11 divided by 4, because 6 into 11 equal to 66 plus 4 is equal to 70. So the answer is option number A.